Jermaine was a town man, a man from Kingston, Jamaica. And if there's one thing he always said, it's that he can't stand town women. They don't cook, don't clean, always outside, and manny, his favourite word to describe them. He swore up and down that country girls were different, so every other weekend he'd drive to Clarendon to visit his cousin. But really, he was scouting. He wanted a girl who fit his style, quiet, traditional, low maintenance, one he could mould, protect, and bring into his world. And then he met her. She was everything he imagined. Beautiful, natural, no makeup, didn't even own a smartphone. She lived with her grandmother, helped in the yard, and seemed like she didn't even know what TikTok was. They spoke a few times, then more often. Then weekly visits turned into something deeper. Eventually, he said, "Come to town. I'll take care of you." She hesitated, as if she was leaving riches behind. Maybe she had goats to tie up in the morning, I don't know. But Sarah eventually, well, after a few seconds, said yes. Why not? She trusted him. So he brought her to Kingston, bring her a town. He bought her clothes, got her hair done, paid for short courses. She got a job at a call center. Country life was no more. Sarah was no a town girl, but one who did more than the average, I guess. You see, Sarah cooked dinner, kept the house tidy, his clothes folded. She was always home by 6. Always knew what to say to make Jermaine feel good. She never argued. She wasn't fussy. Sarah was everything Jermaine had ever wanted in a woman. But is Jermaine everything Sarah ever wanted in a man? One day Sarah told Jermaine her female co-worker would take her home, so Jermaine didn't have to come get her. Little by little, that became a thing. Soon, she started coming home late. First, it was extra work, then traffic. Sarah started wearing heavier makeup. Her skin got lighter, texting more, talking less. He knew something was off. Then came the night she came home buzzed, smelling like cheap rum and smoke. They started arguing, but Sarah didn't have the energy and was clearly not interested in Jermaine's concerns. Tired and tipsy, she went to bed. But she went to bed with her phone unlocked. Jermaine couldn't resist. He had to. He picked it up, and what he saw made his heart skip half a dozen beats.